Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Fiat 500 battery, easy method. Park on level ground and engage the handbrake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Start by removing the negative terminal first, then the positive, and lift out the old 12V battery with care. Fit the new battery, tighten the clamp, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and test electrical systems before closing the hood. Gather your tools and take safety precautions so the swap goes smoothly. Use a 10 mm wrench for most Fiat 500 terminals, wear gloves and eye protection, and have a rag ready for any drips. Keep the battery upright when moving it to avoid spills. Plan where to place the new 12V unit and check the clamp and tray for corrosion. Proper disposal of the old battery protects the environment and local regulations. Follow these steps to replace the battery efficiently and safely. Turn off ignition and remove the key, then wait a few minutes for electronics to power down. Loosen the negative terminal bolt first, then the positive, and gently lift the battery out of the tray. Place the new 12V battery in position, secure the clamp, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, start the engine, and check lights and radio presets for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.